In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how to make $15 per hour and a lot more within a week or less easily. This can be repeated over and over again as many times. Follow each step exactly, and I guarantee you will earn $15 per hour or more within a week or less. I did, so why couldn't you? What you need: a computer or a smartphone, an internet connection, crypto wallet. Step 1, most important. Using your computer, go to this site. Just like this, you got some cash to boost your passive income. If you are not using my referral link, it will slow down the process. Step 2, click register, then click continue, log in. Step 3, click on Games tab above. Play at least 10 games, so you get a new PC in-game. The more you play, the more passive income you will get. If you complete 10 games, it will give you power energy for 3 days. If you complete 20 games, 5 days, 30 games, 7 days off power. I would suggest you to play all games as much as possible, daily, to not lose power energy, and to maximize your profits. Complete tasks in task wall to buy new miners, parts racksec.io. You can also deposit some crypto to buy new miners. This will speed up the process drastically. Just in 2 days of grinding those games, completing tasks and buying miners will reward you with extra passive income. It is crucial to play this game for at least 7 days. The most easy mini games on PC and smartphone: Coin Flip, Coin Match, CoinClick, Token Surfer, 2048 Coins, Token Blaster, Kryptonoid, Crypto Hamster. Now this is where the big money is coming. Step 4, click referral program. Write your referral link on your notepad. Step 5, convert this file from Word document to PDF so you can edit it. Replace the link below Step 1 with your referral link. Step 6, share the PDF everywhere. I'd recommend sharing it on internet marketing forums. This is why 25% of the total profits. That's huge income. Now sit back, relax, and watch as your crypto is rolling in. In a couple of weeks you will begin earning $15 and more per hour. I took it a step further, shared the PDF to 100 plus websites and managed to earn around $500 plus in less than 24 hours. So, what are you waiting for? Take action now.